guys, welcome to Shape Up. So for today's workout, we're gonna have a full bodied lift. So we're gonna have 5 circuits. Circuit 1 through 3, we're gonna have 3 rounds. Circuit 4 through 5, we'll have 2 rounds, all right? So circuit 1 through 3, we're gonna have 40 seconds of work, 20 seconds of rest, and then our last 2 rounds will be 45 seconds of work, 15 seconds of rest. So for our first one, we're gonna have inchworms. We've done these before. We'll just come up, squatting down and walking it out. All right, if you guys wanna make it a little harder, you can add a push-up to this and bring it back in, going out. Our next one, we're gonna have a high knee march. So you can march it out like normal, or you can go into high knees for that 40 seconds. All right, for circuit 2, we're gonna have a front squat to overhead press. So if you guys have dumbbells, you can use those. You can also use a band if you want to step on it and put it up on your shoulders. So we'll come down into our squat, pressing up through the shoulder blades, making sure our knees are behind the toes, and we want our biceps in line with our ears. Our second exercise for circuit number 2 is going to be some vertical jumps. So we'll be pushing through the soles of our feet, using that power and getting those fingertips up towards the sky. Otherwise, you can just come up onto your toes, make sure we're nice and tall through that movement. For circuit 3, we're gonna have 2 push-ups plus 10 mountain climbers, and then you'll keep going through those. So we'll come down doing our 2 push-ups, and then we'll jog out those mountain climbers. If you need to, you can come onto your knees for the push-ups, and then on the mountain climbers, you can march it. You can also do those movements on the wall if you need a modification. Our second exercise for circuit number 3 is going to be a side lunge. So it'll just be a normal side lunge. We'll be coming down on each side, alternating. You can always hold a weight in your hands at your chest if you want more of a challenge. Circuit 4, we're going to have lateral squat walks. So we'll be coming down into a nice squat. We'll just nicely walk back and forth, holding that squat position. We want to focus on our backs, keep them nice and straight, chest out, shoulders back. All right, guys. And then we're gonna have a dip. So if you have a step, you can use that. You'll just come down, activating those triceps, making sure we're coming nice and down. If you don't have a step, you can just come onto the ground, feet flat on the floor, and making sure our glutes are up in the air by extending our hips. All right. And then for circuit 5, we're gonna have some toe taps. We've done these before. You'll be laying down, feet up in the sky. You're gonna try touching your toes or your shins. You can always have a weight in your hands if you wanna make it more challenging. And then finally, we have bicycle crunches. So we'll be coming down, we're gonna get our elbow to our knee, making sure those toes are nice and pointed, and our shoulder blades are up off the ground. All right, guys. Good luck and go Pokes!